Hello. Sometimes we want our incoming calls to be treated in a different way based on the type of the call, for example, whether it is an external call or a call coming from a colleague. And sometimes we want our incoming calls to be treated in a different way based on our user status. This all can be easily achieved and set up in Wildex collaboration. Let's go back to our collaboration settings features. Here we can see Activate Class box, which cannot be deselected. This is the default call class. All the features set up here will be applied in case other boxes are not enabled. If we want to, we can set up different rules for Do Not Disturb or Away user status. For example, let's say I want all the incoming calls to be rejected when I'm in Do Not Disturb status. I can do it. Or maybe I want mobility feature to be applied only when I am in Away status. I can do it. Or maybe I want to set up call forwarding rules when I am in Away status. Please pay attention to these tabs above. All of these features we set up in the first tab, Internal, will be applied for the internal calls. And if other classes are not activated, they will inherit from the internal class. For example, if I want incoming calls from trunk to be treated in a different way compared to incoming calls from colleagues, I can do it by activating external call class and setting up different call options here. Maybe I want a different ringtone for calls from colleague and for calls from the trunk. I can easily do it. You can set up different rules for external calls when you're in Do Not Disturb status or in Away status. Rules for incoming call management are really flexible with Wildex. I hope that this was useful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.